welcome to another Free.volous webisode. This one I hope will be short and sweet because I did sort of a get ready with me, not total but facial get ready with me in, I'm hoping, under 10 minutes. We'll see when I edit this. I will include my skincare except for washing my face, and also a full face of makeup. What you see here right now is what I did a few minutes ago, and it was really quick. A lot of finger painting involved, but also I wanted to make it look like I actually made an effort, so I used a bolder color for my eyes, inspired in the Pantone color of the year, the ultraviolet, and of course, because it's easy, I went for Colourpop. But as usual, don't get stuck on the products, get stuck on the inspiration and the final result, and share with me your favorite tips to go through it really quickly in the morning when you don't have time to spare. Although the main trick is just apply SPF and go out the door, but you know what I mean. Other than that, let's roll the video. Just leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave comments down below. Interact with me. I'm always so happy when I see comments from new people. If you're new here, hi! And if you haven't subscribed, please do. I would be so happy. Thank you for spending your time on me, and let's jump into the voiceover. Starting with my fresh face, I'm going to moisturize with Hada Labo Hydrating Lotion. This is a liquid that you press onto your skin. It's filled with hydrating properties without being heavy, which is amazing. And then I went onto the serum, which is Hylamide Sub-Q Eyes, just because I didn't want anything too heavy on my under eye area. Oskia Super 16 serum was an investment that I made that I'm really happy that I have done. It's packed with amazing actives. And to seal it all in, a Dr. Dennis Gross moisturizer, which is super luxurious to apply but doesn't ball up under my makeup, which is great. As a primer and to add a bit of glow without any greasiness, this is the Emma Hardy Protect and Prime. This has an SPF 30, which is 2-in-1. And then I'm going to go with my Lancome Miracle Cushion, an all-time friend. I still use it, still love it. When I'm on a hurry, nothing applies quicker and looks more flawless than this foundation. And I think most of the credit is due to the air puff. I know some people don't like it. I adore any foundation applied with an air puff. Because this foundation is not super full coverage, I'm going to go over my blemishes with a bit of concealer, and then I'm going to blend it out with my fingers, and also underneath the eyes, which today were so dark. Yeah, I don't seem to get enough sleep. My dog, on the other hand, is snoring on the background, so I'm sorry for that. Now I'm going to go with the highliner in Blacker by Marc Jacobs again. You're sick and tired of seeing me do this on the inner rims of my eyes. And then I'm going to go with the star of the show. I'm into this casual chic glam wash of glitter on the lids, even for daytime. And this texture makes it so easy to apply with my fingers. I just pat it on, I blend it with a clean finger, and I clean it if I need with another clean finger. And of course you can go over it with a brush just to blend it out slightly if you want to. I ended up doing that, but this is just finger painting. See? Hardly any blending. Now I'm going to go with Essence Make Me Brow, which is a tinted brow gel. I don't need a lot of filling, so when I'm in a hurry, that's what I use. A big shout out to this formula, the NYX Slip Tease. This is sort of a liquid lipstick, but it feels like a more creamy product, and I'm using it as my lipstick and as my cream blusher, which if you follow this channel, you know I love doing. It always matches your lipstick, it always looks good, and it's easy to blend. So, and this formula is amazing. It transfers though, but it's quite long wearing, it's so comfy. Next is Steal a Heaven's Hue highlighter in Kitten, as you know, a new favorite. It looks beautiful. And then I'm going to use this powder foundation by Cover FX, but despite the name, this is not too pigmented, so it's great to set and add a slightly teeny bit of coverage. And I'm going to do the squirrel face, which is my new way of trying to prevent that creasing on the sides of my lips. Final touches, of course, a bit of mascara. This is my favorite, you know by now. And then I'm gonna go with lip gloss, and this is by Essence. So affordable, tastes sweet. This is the clear one, looks amazing on the lips. It's perfect. Yeah, €3 or something. I'm gonna set everything down with the Kat Von D Lock It setting spray, and this melts the highlighter a bit more, which is really nice. And I'm done, and this only took me 11 minutes, so I hope this inspires you to go a bit more glam even though you're in a hurry. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!